Nobody would fault an average man for sneaking a peek at the baboomes of an attractive woman. However, if you're the cameraman of a nationally televised program, you might want to be a little bit more careful than these guys.
Our referee, the lovely Brittany. Ariani, great to be here in Montreal. Cote, the ref, Miller.
And today, the annual women's event hosted by the Permanent Commission on the Status of Women. Both women and men are invited to the state capitol to hear from state legislators and special guests that will be discussing women's accomplishments here in Connecticut. They'll also honor 2 high school students who won the essay contest for the Young Women's Leadership Program. It all begins at 9 o'clock and lasts at noon. Everyone is asked to wear red to show your support.
And then there are those, like John McCain, who use their careers to promote change.
It's 50 runs on the board with some damage. Australia won the toss and elected to field first. Over conditions, rains around the ground.
Okay, come and dodge.
His team the 1-0 lead in both games. But Scott Hartnell and the guys in orange have rallied to win both those games. The venue has changed, but will the winds be shifting?